In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover your LinkedIn account without using your email and phone number. We all know how frustrating it can be to lose access to important accounts, and LinkedIn is no exception. So let's dive into this process that can help you regain control smoothly. First things first, head over to the LinkedIn website. Once there, navigate to the login page. Near the login form, you should spot an option that reads Forgot Password. Go ahead and click on that. Now, normally you'd enter your real email address, but in this case, type in a random email like email@yahoo.com. What this does is prompt LinkedIn to help you in a different way since the email you provided isn't associated with any account. After inputting the random email, you'll see an option appear that says, Can't access this email. Click on that. This is where LinkedIn starts providing alternative methods to verify your identity. Following this, LinkedIn will display a QR code on the screen. Grab your phone, open your camera, and use it to scan the QR code. A link should pop up after scanning it, so go ahead and click on that link. The next step involves entering a new email address. This will serve as your new contact email for LinkedIn. Optionally, you can also add your LinkedIn public profile URL if you have it handy, although this isn't required. Once you're satisfied with the provided information, click the Continue button to move forward. At this stage, LinkedIn will ask you to choose your country from a drop-down menu. Make your selection and then tap Continue to proceed. Now comes the identity verification part, which is crucial in retrieving your account. LinkedIn uses a service called Persona for this process. When prompted, tap on Verify with Persona. Check the necessary boxes, then tap Accept and Continue to proceed. Next, you'll have to upload a photo of a valid ID. This could be any official identification, such as a driver's license or passport. Ensure that the photo is clear and readable, as this will affect the verification process. LinkedIn will then take some time to review and verify the information you've provided. This might take a while, so patience is key here. Once your identity is verified, you'll receive an email containing your new login details. Use these details to log back into your LinkedIn account, and you should be good to go. And that's it for today's video. I hope this guide helped you smoothly recover your LinkedIn account. If you found this tutorial useful, consider subscribing for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.